Now we are going to see the landforms. Okay, these are called the landforms. Now, as you know that whenever we are traveling to any places, we can see that there are some grassland somewhere, somewhere that we can find out the forest. Then somewhere we can also find the desert areas, right? Desert areas. Then there are even the beaches. So the landforms are very rare and they are distinct. Means we can say that the landforms are somewhere the rocks are cut, somewhere we can see while we are going from the train, from the tunnel. Okay, we can see the landforms that the mountain is being cut, and even there are even the grass, somewhere there are forests, somewhere there are farms, right? So there are different types of landforms that we are able to see whenever we go out somewhere. Now same way we can see the landforms divided into these things. Now suppose this is the water, this is your sea, right? This is your sea. So you know that the very near area to the sea where we go, that is called seashore, right? And again the somewhat hill part is called the hillock, right? The plain area which is near, means after the shore, the plain area whichever we can see, that is called the plain. And we can see the rivers flowing from the mountains and they meet in this water, okay, in this sea water. Okay, and the hills are quite big, and mountains you can see they are the highest ones. In between these mountains there is a deep area like this, so that is called valley, right? So these areas are called valleys. The rivers flow and meet into the sea water. So from this river we can say there are even some uh, areas like, now here is island. Island means what? Island means here is the area which is area of land which is covered with water, sea water. There is sea water and this is the island. Okay, so these are the landforms we can say, because of the land divided into lower, somewhat higher, somewhat higher, somewhat higher. The area of land is divided into certain areas like this. A vast area of land is called as continent. Okay, continent in which we are also living, a major area of land is called continent. So there are seven continents. How many continents? Seven continents. So seven continents are like Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, and Australia. So Asia is the biggest of all the continents, and Australia is the smallest of all the seven continents. So you also have to remember the seven continents of all our earth. Okay, so this is about the landforms. Now we will see about the water bodies. Okay, now we are going to see about the water. Now as I have told you, the water on this earth comprises of two-third part of the earth. The water bodies are also many, like we can see the oceans. Okay, now oceans, as we know, the earth is covered with oceans. So oceans also are of five types. Okay, five. So five types of oceans are Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, the Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and the Indian Ocean. Okay, also we can say there are so many types of gulfs, bay, creek, okay, rivers, rills, okay, etc. So now rills are the smallest one, while the rivers are the biggest form of water. In fresh water, ocean waters are salty, okay, but rivers, rills, all this water is fresh water. They are not salty to taste on the means actually the surface water is covered with this and they are not salty, but this water is salty, ocean water, we cannot drink. Gulf, Bay, creeks. Now, Bay means we can understand the Bay of Bengal, right? We have seen that this part of the India here is Bay of Bengal. So, Bay of Bengal is quite smaller than Gulf. Gulf is a bigger area of water, a large area. And creeks means very, means suppose this is a river. So, where the rivers are meeting somewhere here, we can say that some part of uh, water here. Creeks means actually in Hindi we can say khadi. Khadi ka jo pani hai, right? So here the ocean water or the sea water comes as if whenever in wherever there is high tide, and also it goes off. So this is the creek. So these are the creeks and rivers are meeting. So even this portion that the larger river meets is called the tributaries. Okay, they are called the tributaries. Okay, tributaries. So here we can say the water level in the ocean is higher than in rivers. Rills are very small. Okay, एकदम छोटा छोटा. Sometimes from where the river flows, the mountain breaks and the mountain का थोड़ा सा part, if it falls down, then definitely the water from the river, it falls in the form of waterfalls. So there are a type of waterfalls. Okay, in some areas where there is a cold area, we can say, where there is cool. So in that area, there is a snowfall. Why? Because the region is very cool over there and the ice is formed from the droplets which falls onto the ground and it creates a layer. मतलब जैसे ही वो बर्फ पड़ती है तो वो यहाँ पे लेयर बनना स्टार्ट हो जाती है. ओके, देयर इज अ लेयर विच गोज ऑन इंक्रीजिंग and this increased level then form a snow. Okay, snow. कुछ पार्ट ऑफ द स्नो मतलब जो कुछ थोड़ा बहुत स्नो का पार्ट है, कभी कभी ड्यू टू सम स्लोप वो एक आइस जैसा बन के वो गिर जाता है. सपोज अगर वो माउंटेन पे जमा हो रहा है बर्फ, सो देयर इज अ स्लाइड ऑफ दिस स्नो फ्रॉम द माउंटेन विच इज कॉल्ड ग्लासियर. ओके, विच इज कॉल्ड ग्लासियर. मतलब ग्लासियर मतलब बर्फ ऐसे ऊपर से नीचे आती है, राइट? सो दिस इज कॉल्ड ग्लासियर. एंड सम on the ocean there is some snow, part of snow which gathers together और उसे हम लोग बोलते हैं आइस वर्क. ओके, मतलब जो जमा हुआ हुआ पूरा जो बर्फ है on the surface of the water, that is called iceberg. Okay, so it is called iceberg. Now there is lake and groundwater also. Now lake, you can understand that there is a lake. Lake तो आपको पता है, it is a bigger area where the water from the rain is gathered and there is a lake. It is a fresh water lake, we can say. Also the water from the rain, it drops down and down and down, and because of this water dropping there on the ground, we can say that जब भी हम लोग पानी बारिश आती है तो all the water goes down below the earth's surface and this water gets gathered inside the earth's surface, जिसे हम लोग borewell से निकालते हैं, right? So we are using the borewell to take the water from that well, right? So even there are some of the groundwater which is used for our fresh water, drinking water, okay, which is used for this. So this is about the water, fresh water as well as the ocean water. So all the water together makes hydrosphere. The fresh water, the ocean, the everything which consists of water, it makes the hydrosphere.